Okay, today, after 20 hours from pouring, I have this mold here. So I'm gonna cut it today. It's hard enough already, I think. So, but before that, we're gonna do a pH test first. Because the reason why I do a pH test is any new recipe, we should try to do a pH test because we don't know, right? So I'm gonna do it now. So this is distilled water. Gloves still on. I haven't touched it. Okay, with my bare hand. So I just try to find a spot. Okay, and this one, fresh one. Okay, use different finger. So let's check the pH. We are 9, 8 or 9. Okay, so we're in the safe range. So that's the outside. Cut it and do the test inside as well. So that's the way to be safe. Okay, so let me unmold this. Should be easy. Let me get my scraps. Okay, so we have a lot of scrap here. So all these are scrap. Save it, don't toss it away. So we might rebatch it. So I'll save this to do a ladder test. Look like easy to unmold. Okay, just twist the side. See a bit soft at the bottom. Wash that later, the mold, so reuse it again. The reason why I like the silicone mold is you can reuse it all the time, so you don't have to soften enough, okay? So it's like that. Now I'm going to do another pH test, okay? We're going to cut somewhere in the middle, check the middle, okay? So roughly middle there, pull down. Okay, twist, okay? You want to twist it. Let's do the pH in the middle right here. So that, I'm going to do the pH. Let me get another pH paper ready. Okay, so this is a brand new one. Do it there. And use this distilled water. Yeah, work up the, moisten in. Okay, push it down. Different finger. We're good. We are greenish. Yep, we're green. Green to go. Okay, so we're good. Now we can take off the glove. Okay. Now you know it's safe. You can take off the glove. Okay. Get rid of the dampness there. Now we're going to touch with our bare hand, no problem. We have done the test. Okay. Now we're going to cut it. Okay. If you've seen my other video, I use a square to cut straight. Okay. So right here we have 12. So I'm going to cut in 3 parts, like that. So measure it up around 12 there. So we go 6, make a mark. Right there, right? Square. Okay. Down. Twist, twist. Okay. Give this a wipe. Give the knife a wipe. Okay, next one. Split this in half as well. We use a lot of water in our recipe. We discount it first, but we add in the indigo powder. A lot of water, another 100 gram, of water into our recipe. So with this one here, we might have to kill it for 6 weeks, okay, minimum. A lot of water in our recipe. dry it now. Let it cool for 4 to 6 weeks. But I reckon 6 weeks is a good time, okay? So we use a lot of water in our recipe. Fine, after all that, okay? I'll do a ladder test for you as well, since we're here. Put this offcut into all this precious stuff here. So I release someone to test. Do a ladder test, okay? Warm water. You know, it's not too much. Not enough. Damn. Now I just want to see if there's no blue ladder because we use indigo, so that's good. So we use just enough indigo powder, so there's no bluish running, okay, staining, okay, of the ladder or the water. Still slimy. Okay, it's like less than 24 hours, guys. So, okay, look at the water. Yeah, there's no blue there. Yeah, so all good, okay? We all good. So there's no blue coming out, okay? So we use enough. So this is half a teaspoon of indigo powder in 100 grams of distilled water, okay? And I use everything in the trace, okay? So if you're gonna use indigo powder, I suggest you use half a teaspoon, okay? To get this kind of color. Now, if you're new to soap making, check out my other video where I share with you the whole recipe from the recipe using soap kelp to actually do the demonstration. I'll link the 2 videos down in the description. So if you're new to soap making, check that one out. I also have a lot of beginners video where I go through one by one, slower. So check out my playlist as well. My name is Travis Chow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another video. Okay, this is palm oil recipe 160. Okay, palm oil 160 recipe. Okay, I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.